Now, in an attempt to improve the netball umpiring stock in the region, Netball Americas and Netball Europe came together to offer training for aspiring officials in the island. The facilitators have delivered the theoretical aspect of the program, but with COVID-19 preventing face-to-face gatherings, they decided to get innovative in delivering the practical component.
So they just played as they would have normally in a game situation without any umpiring. So we'll now use this in the online setting, the virtual space, and we'll have the umpires to be umpiring the game in the virtual space, basically.
The National Powerlifting Association of Jamaica has moved to certify all their coaches, with talks of involving the Intersecondary Schools Sports Association, ISSA. Renata Brown has more.
Following the recent signing of a Memorandum of Understanding with the University of the West Indies, the National Powerlifting Association of Jamaica, NPAJ, has now caught the attention of the University of Technology, who are open to partnering with the 6-month-old body through the Caribbean School of Sports Sciences.
So for University of Technology, wherever we can provide support through strength and conditioning, principles of coaching, there are so many things that they can come to us for in terms of strengthening the association. And the coaches might want to get their bachelor's degree. We are into sports sciences and developing programs that can suit many different coaches to make sure they're at the level of their international colleagues.
And ISSA President Keith Wellington is also exploring ways the NPAJ can contribute to the development of high school sports.
Strength work is an important part of almost all sporting activities, and therefore to have a national association that focuses on powerlifting is something that I think can be integrated into most of our school programs, first as part of the established programs, but also as a separate program. And we'll be discussing with the Powerlifting Association how is it that we can work together to have the programs established.
In the meantime, several coaches received their certification after completing the NPAJ's internal coaching seminar.
We have built our infrastructure. Now we have turned to the coaches to certify the coaches to ensure when the coaches deliver to the athlete receive the proper information and can perform to their best of ability by our coaches. This is just the start of a series of seminars that we will be having.
Coach Chantal McKenzie sees the importance of having a seminar for coaches.
An awesome feeling to be certified today as a coach for the Powerlifting Association. I will be coaching the female juniors, and it just shows that we are making strides in getting the organization ready to compete in Jamaica and even outside of Jamaica.
Coaches must complete the seminar in order to be recognized by the NPAJ. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.